Q3358. The valve located on each tank that indicates when the tank is filled to 80% capacity is the A. Main tank valve, B. Vapor bleed valve, C. Pilot valve. The correct answer is B. The valve located on each tank that indicates when the tank is filled to 80% capacity is the vapor bleed valve. This valve is designed to allow excess propane vapor to escape from the tank when it reaches 80% full. It helps to prevent overfilling of the tank, which could lead to excessive pressure buildup and potential safety hazards. By venting the vapor bleed valve ensures that the tank is filled to a safe level. Q3359. The lifting forces which act on a hot air balloon are primarily the result of the interior air temperature being A. Greater than ambient temperature, B. Less than ambient temperature, C. Equal to ambient temperature. The correct answer is A. The lifting forces that act on a hot air balloon are primarily the result of the interior air temperature being greater than the ambient temperature. In a hot air balloon, the burner heats the air inside the envelope, causing it to expand and become less dense than the surrounding air. This difference in density creates buoyancy, lifting the balloon off the ground. By maintaining the air temperature inside the envelope higher than the ambient temperature, the balloon remains buoyant and can ascend. Q3360. Burner efficiency of a hot air balloon decreases approximately what percent for each 1,000 feet above MSL? A. 4%, B. 8%, C. 15%. The correct answer is B. The burner efficiency of a hot air balloon decreases approximately 8% for each 1,000 feet above mean sea level, MSL. As the altitude increases, the air density decreases, resulting in less oxygen available for combustion. This decrease in oxygen availability affects the burner's efficiency, reducing the amount of heat generated per unit of fuel burned. Pilots must account for this decrease in efficiency when planning and executing flights at higher altitudes. Q3361. While in flight, frost begins forming on the outside of the fuel tank in use. This would most likely be caused by A. Water in the fuel, B. A leak in the fuel line, C. Vaporized fuel instead of liquid fuel being drawn from the tank into the main burner. The correct answer is C. If frost begins forming on the outside of the fuel tank in use during a hot air balloon flight, it is most likely caused by vaporized fuel instead of liquid fuel being drawn from the tank into the main burner. The fuel in the tank needs to be in a liquid state for proper combustion in the burner. If vaporized fuel is drawn into the burner instead of liquid fuel, it can result in inefficient combustion and the formation of frost due to the rapid expansion and cooling of the vaporized fuel. This indicates a problem with the fuel delivery system that needs to be addressed. Q3362. For what reason is methanol added to the propane fuel of hot air balloons? A. To check for fuel leaks. B. As a fire retardant. C. As an anti-icing additive. The correct answer is C. Methanol is added to the propane fuel of hot air balloons as an anti-icing additive. During flight, the fuel lines and components can be exposed to cold temperatures, leading to the formation of ice. Methanol, when mixed with propane, helps to lower the freezing point of the fuel mixture, preventing the formation of ice and ensuring a continuous flow of fuel to the burner. This is important for maintaining reliable burner operation and preventing fuel system blockages caused by ice formation.